Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am very excited to share with you guys a brand new tool that I've added to my skincare routine recently. It is from the brand Luximia and it is a premium rose quartz roller and Gua Sha. It is 100% authentic rose quartz stone. So this brand Luximia reached out to me about a month ago and asked if I would like to try their product out. So after doing some research of my own, looking into what it does, what it's about, I just had to try it because I am obsessed. Obviously, you guys already know I'm obsessed with skincare and beauty, and especially all natural skincare and beauty. That's where I'm just like, yes, please sign me up. I have been using this roller for a few weeks now, and I just wanted to share with you guys how it works and my thoughts, all that good stuff. If you guys are interested in checking it out, I will have the link down below. It is an Amazon brand, so this you can find on Amazon, which is super convenient, and it's very, very, very reasonably priced. I believe it's like $25 if I'm not mistaken. So for those of you who don't know, rose quartz is actually known to be connected to the heart and helps to balance and strengthen the heart and the circulatory system. So it stimulates blood circulation and it brings more oxygen to the skin. It also clears away toxins and any impurities. This is what the box looks like. It opens right here and it's got like a magnetic closure, which is very handy. So it's very, very beautifully laid out right here. So you have the roller and then you have the Gua Sha right here. First of all, I just have to say just how absolutely aesthetic and stunning of a product it is in itself. On the one side here, you have a larger stone for larger areas of your face, and then for the smaller side, you obviously have it for smaller areas, hard to get to places on your face. A couple things that this roller does is it improves elasticity in your face, it tightens and reduces pores, evens out your skin tone, it reduces puffiness and dark circles underneath the eyes, it soothes stress and fatigue, which causes fine lines and wrinkles, and it overall just stimulates your face and leaves it like just nice and glowy. It also has insane benefits for those of you like myself who use a lot of facial serums. After you put those serums on your skin, you kind of just roll this massager over your face. It helps absorb the serums into your skin, it helps lock it in, and it just kind of like presses it into your skin a little better. It also comes with a nice carrying case right here, and it's just like a little, looks like a little knapsack with like a drawstring. It looks like a burlap sack, but it's actually not burlap, but it's super silky, so it won't be like scratching up your facial roller or anything like that. It does come with directions and instructions on how to use it. So on the front, it shows you how to use the roller, and on the back, it shows you how to use the Gua Sha. Right now, I'm only using it at night, but you can use it during the day as well, like morning and night type of thing. After I put my facial serums on, which there's quite a bit of them, in case you didn't know. I will link the facial serums down below that I use. You can check that video out if you're interested. But right now, just for the sake of showing you guys, I'm gonna be using my hyaluronic acid. That is my absolute favorite, especially around this time of year. I'm just like dried out beyond belief. And this just helps lock in moisture into your face. What I love about this product that I noticed before I looked it up on the internet, I noticed this, that whenever I'd pull it out to use it, it was always like really cool, like cold, and it felt so good on my face, and it helps my puffiness go away because the heat that I use in my apartment is not good heat. It just dries me out and it makes my face really puffy all the time. Like, I don't know, I feel like a big puff ball. And in fact, I did read up that a lot of people actually put it in their freezer, which is, I think I'm gonna try to use that. That'll be extra cool. I'm just gonna briefly show you guys how it's used. So you take the smaller side for around the eyes. You can gently tone the lids and under your eye area. You move from the inner corner of the eye to the ear. And you want to do it about 6 to 7 times. It's also really good for sinus pressure, and you would just take the small side and just like move down, like right here. And especially in the winter time, I don't know about you guys, but I get a lot of sinus infections. Like, it's disgusting. I don't know why at all. I'm just convinced that the heat ruins me altogether. And right here is another motion you want to use from your chin all the way up. This one's my favorite one. Oh. Another really good one I like is just this. Down the neck. Ooh, just like smooths everything out. Get those lymph nodes draining across the forehead right here. You start in the middle and then you kind of work your way around. And I just kind of go nice and slow with it. I don't go too fast. Kind of just work it out. Oh, the brow bone, I love the brow bone. This is the Gua Sha, look at that. So you want to use certain sides for certain parts of your face. So for example, this side right here, you would want to use to go like this. This is more of an intense massage right here. So this I might just do right before bed when I'm relaxing, maybe not first thing in the morning, because this will kind of make your face slightly red, nothing crazy. It's not an irritating massager or anything like that. It's not doing anything abrasive to your face or damaging skin. It's more of just like a nice circulating massager, and it will cause you to get maybe a little bit red. I'm a very, very anxious person sometimes, and I get stressed out super easily, and I feel like I hold a lot of that stress in my like back and my face. Because I hold a lot of the tension in my face, I feel like this does absolutely alleviate that tension, helps it out for real. So yeah, so you would use this side for right here. This like hits certain pressure points that nothing else will. Then you take this side right here, and this goes over your eyes, like right over. So you're going like right over your brow bone right here. And then with the flatter side, up. Oh yeah. Right here, right here. This feels amazing. This is another one, using this side, I just go straight up. Going all the way up to like the earlobe. Because right here, there's like a lymph node. You just wanna get those toxins out. I personally would hands down recommend this product. It is super inexpensive for what you get out of it, I believe. So for me, I definitely feel like it has relaxed me, taken away some of that like stress and tension out of my face. It's definitely helped depuff my face for sure. I do believe that because I do use facial serums, that it does help press them into my face and kind of feel like I just get more out of my facial serums that way. So yeah guys, that is my take on the Luximia Premium Rose Quartz Roller and Gua Sha. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys are interested in the product, I will definitely have it linked below. Again, this is not an affiliate link and this video is not sponsored. By chance, if you are somebody who has already tried this product, comment down below what your thoughts were. I would love to talk about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.